Waiting to shop for a new Ford because of high interest rates? Well, here's a lesson in automotive economics brought to you by Sunset Ford of Sumner. When interest rates go down, prices go up. When interest rates go up, prices go down. So what you're really doing is missing out on some low Ford prices, attractive factory incentives, and risking rapid depreciation of your trade. Look, the difference between financing a new Ford 4 years ago and financing a new Ford at today's interest rates is about the same price of a large pizza every month, or about $1 a day. Sunset Ford will give you optimum value for your trade-in, low Ford prices, and attractive factory incentives. And when interest rates do go down, you can simply refinance. It's not what you pay, it's what you get for your money. And you just get more at Sunset Ford, like warranty protection for life and oil changes for life, included with every single qualifying new Ford. Visit sunsetfordofsumner.com for transparent pricing today, or better yet, come see us in person and drive away in a new Ford from Sunset Ford in Sumner.